Whether you moved to Prosper last month, last year, or many years ago, you chose to live in a community where you and your family matter and your voice is heard.
Over the past 10 years, our town of Prosper has tripled its community of diverse people. We want you to call Prosper your home, not just for you, but for future generations. Our collective vision for Prosper is powerful yet simple. We want Prosper to be a place where everyone matters.
Every day, our town leaders represent us and make decisions with one overriding question in mind. How can we best serve our Prosper residents and make sure that everyone matters? In the community, we, the residents of Prosper, ask ourselves, how can we be part of the local community and ensure that our voices are heard?
With this in mind, the Town Council created and launched a brand new committee in March of 2021 called the Prosper Community Engagement Committee, also known as the CEC.
The council appointed a number of residents to serve on the CEC as ambassadors for the town and its residents. Who are these ambassadors?
We are you. We are your neighbors, associates, and friends.
Whether our kids go to school together, we watch sports together, or we simply share a common love of Prosper, we are here to represent you.
We're Texans who love our town just like you. As they say, we're a small town with big hearts.
The Prosper CEC was created for you. So connect with us. Share your voice. We're listening.